Alright guys, welcome back. If you guys haven't told them, I moved out to Colorado, so everything's new and started up. I got the website up and running. So if you guys go to runnersgarage.com, you guys can pick up, I got shirts, stickers, and you guys notice that I've been making straps now for power and ground. If you guys have any questions, message me, I can hit you up. This is the new Eclipse we're working on. Clementine, of course you guys know is gone.
Ew.
But being a single dad, a lot of work to do. But today we're going to be hitting up the wiring harness. We got the battery installed last week, so now it's going to be the power for the alternator and for the starter. And we're going to tear that Loom apart. So let's go. Alright, so the main purpose of the whole video is that we have to remove the alternator power line all the way back, pull that out, and then we got to pull off the starter and pull all that out. And then we're going to make new lines. The reason I'm going to be doing all of this is because I need to get not only the alternator line out, I got to get the signal wire for the AC clutch out, since there's no more AC in the car. So don't need it, take it out. While you guys are doing this, you want to be very careful. I'm using a razor blade because I can't find my snips. If you can find snips, use those. The O2 sensor connections, I'm going to take these completely down. But be very careful with this one here on the top. This is going to be your your crank position sensor. It plugs in here. Wiring goes through down to your cover on the timing, and that's where your actual sensor's at. So mess this up, the car ain't gonna start. Alright, so if you guys remember the wiring I did on the Clementine, this is the only stuff I use now. This is the Tessa, this is the 51036. This is literally 4 high temp looms in the engine bay. Can't beat this stuff. Alright guys, so long day. GoPro died halfway through. Pretty much got the Loom redone. A lot of stuff got done. Just not enough time and my back's on fire. So I think I'm going to pack it up for the night and show you guys what I got done. Alright, so upgraded alternator straps in. Strap that brings it from the breaker to the bus is in. Last piece is going to be a new starter wire. So I got to get the strap in for that, and then we can fire her up. But Loom is pretty much done. I got to finish up all the pigtails. Once I get the pigtails done, and then finish up around the ECU. I'm going to be removing that tiny little fuse box because that was just for the AC and for the fan relay, and I'm going to get a what do you call it, fan controller from Mishimoto. So we'll get that in. I'll show you guys how to wire that up again. I know the last video I did wasn't really too detailed, so we'll redo that. I will say one of the funny things I did find out today is I knew the engine was replaced. So this engine only has like, I think 80,000 miles on it. It's not old, but it's definitely out of an automatic. So they put a rubber cap on the return coolant line on the back side of the motor. So I'm gonna have to source out one for a manual and get that flipped out. I don't really trust that. It's dry rot already, I can tell. Well, add to the list. Thanks for watching, guys.